Welcome to Open House. I'm Jessica McGibbon, the head of the lower school, and we are right now in the lower school lobby. So when you come to visit us, you'll see there's lots of beautiful art on the walls, and most of it was done by the children. But some of it's there to inspire them and us to respond to the beauty that's all around us and to try to emulate it, to respond to it both on paper and in our daily lives. Can you think of a better way to learn about an ecosystem than by researching and drawing its flora and fauna and creating a beautiful mosaic? So when you walk through the hallways of the lower school during open house, you'll see the sunflowers and the mosaics, and you'll see these beautiful images of the ancient world, all of which are there to inspire the girls to engage in deeper learning. I hope that by the end of the open house, after you've walked through the lower school and met many of our teachers and specialists, that you see that joyful learning abounds at Sacred Heart and that every child is known and loved.